we are talking about the freshers point of view. Let's change the scenario. We are there's a person who is having a 3 years of experience into the sales, and now they are planning to move into data analytics. First is this a right way or to approach the career, or if yes, then how they can pursue with that particular role?
Okay, very good question. A lot of people come to me like that, not just 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. They want to move right from non-tech to tech. And in tech, they feel moving to data is easy instead of pure SD roles and all, and which is fair, I think.
Yeah.
Right. So first thing is, see if you have interest or not. Not just that it will be, you will get more salary and this and that, right? It is all not right way to approach if you want to change your career, right? If you are changing your career, it means you are not happy with your current career, right?
Yeah.
And if you move to some career where again you will not be happy, there is no point.
Correct.
Right? So first get your interest, do some courses, basic data courses, SQL or Excel, and see if it really interests you, data analytics or data engineering. If yes, then you can create a plan, right? Now there are two things very important. People who are moving to non-tech to tech. One is, most of the people, right, are already working with some kind of data, right? Like some people are in sales or marketing. Generally, they will be working on Excel, right? So they do some kind of analysis already. It is just they are not aware that they are doing data analytics, but some kind of basic things they do already, right? So they should make use of it, right? Think about that how you can scale this system, right? So people will say, okay, how would I show the experience, right? I have not done any project. So I would say, show that 1 or 2 years of experience in data analytics. Tell that you have worked 1 year or 2 years into data analytics, right? Now what you should do, even if you have not done any data analytics work, think about whatever non-tech work you are doing. In that, there will be some kind of data, right? And think about what kind of data analytics you can do with that data. Even if it was not happening in your company, if it was happening, then great. You can put that in your resume. If it was not happening, you can think about it. Okay, what I could have done with that data, right? What kind of analysis would have helped business to do better business or make better decisions, right? So think about it. It will be a good exercise for you as well, right? Once you figure that out, right, then create some project, right? Like whatever data you had, import into SQL or import into Power BI, create some reports, get that confidence inside that you have worked on data analytics. I'm not saying show those portfolio projects, just to build confidence within you, right? So that you can confidently say, okay, I have done data analytics, I have worked on it in 1 or 2 years, right? Once you get that confidence, then you can put in your resume that you have 1 year of experience into data analytics and tell what you have done, right? Don't tell it is a portfolio project I have created. You just tell that in real, I have done this in project and this is all I have done. So this will come only when you have done hands-on yourself. If you just make a story out of nowhere, he will catch you. If you have done hands-on, published a report and everything, then he will not be able to catch you. So this is the simple process they have to follow.
I totally agree with that, because once you have seen those things and done some project by yourself, you will feel that yes, I can answer those questions as well. Because when you are just looking out some YouTube video or just courses and you are not doing something by yourself, it is difficult to answer those questions that confidently. So I totally agree.
Exactly. Perfect.